The goal with this activity is to really loosen up the hips and the trunk, and you'll build some phenomenal abdominals. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to need a cable system, and I would grab the rope attachment if you can. You're going to get in a lateral stance. So for that, what that's going to entail is I'm going to have one leg straight. I'm going to use that leg to push me to the side like this. So as I do so, my left hip goes down, my right hip's going to come up, just like that. You also want to make sure your hips stay facing forward. It's very common for people to kind of turn them this way, or the other thing you might see is you might see people hinge forward. I want you to stay on this fairly vertical, just like so. So I'm going to push. I want to make sure foot, knee, hip, and chest are all in a straight line, and I'm going to hold this position. Now you might be wondering, where does the chop come into play? I'm glad you asked. What you want to do then is you're going to grab the ropes, one in each hand. You're going to assume that lateral stance position, just like that. Eyes are going to be on the rope. Take a breath there in. You're going to exhale. You're going to pull. Keep it close to the body. And then push down in a diagonal like this. And I'm creating the turn through the torso and the hips while I'm keeping my head facing forward like that. You're going to hold that position. Breathe in. Exhale. Back to the start. Do not lose the stance. You want to try to maintain that foot, knee, hip, chest position throughout. Let's rep out a few, shall we? Just like that. So you're going in a nice diagonal. From the side, you'll see I'm still staying fairly vertical the whole time I do it. I'm just making sure that I create that nice turn through the trunk. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.